Welcome in my math step-by-step class. In today's fraction part 19, again we will do some more BODMAS question and using BODMAS rule. So let's start. I hope whatever I am teaching you, you are following all much. So let's start with first question. First question is 3 upon 4 of 6, 1 upon 8 minus 2 upon 3 of 2, 1 by 4. As I have told you that first step is to copy the question properly, attentively. So copy the question, then see first step is no bracket is there, so we will go for off. So 3 upon 4 into, and this is mixed fraction, so we will convert it into improper fraction. 6 8 ja 48 plus 1 49 upon 8 minus 2 upon 3 of 9 upon 4. So here 3 1 ja 3, 3 3 ja 9, 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4. So 3 upon 4 into 49 upon 8 minus, it will become 3 upon 2. And then multiplication, 3 49 ja 147 and 4 8 ja 32 minus 3 upon 2. Then again we have to make them like fractions. So we will multiply this by 16. So it will become 32 and answer will 147 upon 32 minus 48 upon 32. Then this is equal to simple and we will subtract them and we get the answer 99 upon 32 is equal to 3 by 32. See, all steps we have done earlier, how to subtract like fractions and how to change improper fraction into mixed fraction. So you can watch my videos which we have done previously, right? So this is the answer. And watch this question and do this question yourself. Then you will be clear. Next question is this one. And question is, look at the question. 7 upon 18 of 1 upon 3 plus 7 upon 15 divided by 5 upon 6 minus 3 upon 5. So here 7 upon 30, question copied. Second step is 7 upon 30 of. Here bracket are there. So first we will solve the bracket. So bracket, see 15 and 3. So we have to make them like fractions. So I will multiply this 3 by 5. So it will become like fraction in this also, right? So we will make them and we will cross multiply them with this 5 and this 6. So it will become this 25 upon 13 minus 18 upon 30 and this is 5 upon 15 plus 7 upon 15. So in next step we will solve these brackets. 7 upon 30 off. So 5 upon 7, 5 plus 7 divided by this one. I think you can understand this easy step. We have done earlier many times. So 7 upon 30 off. This bracket 12 upon 15 and divided by 7 upon 30. So 6 5 ja 30 and 6 2 ja 12. So answer is 7 2 ja 14, 5 15 ja 75 divided by 7 upon 30. And then we will change this division sign with multiplication and do the reciprocal of it. This also we have done. So here 14 upon 75 into 30 upon 7. So this one 5 1 ja 5, 5 5 ja 25 and 5 6 ja 30. Again 3 5 ja 15, 3 2 ja 6 and 7 1 ja 7 and 7 2 ja 14. So let me write here 1. Okay. Then 2 2 ja and only 5 is there. So 2 2 ja 4 and 5. So answer is 4 upon 5. So copy the question in your notebook and try to do yourself. Please don't be lazy, and if you want to do something in life or if you want to score good marks, please do these sums yourself. Then after this I have taken some more question. Look at this question here. Again I have taken next question. 3 upon 4 divided by 1 upon 6 divided by 1 upon 2. So here this question is very easy. First we will solve the bracket. So we will change this division sign into multiplication and do the reciprocal of this. So it will become 1 upon 6 into 2 upon 1. Then 2 1 ja 2, 2 3 ja 6. So it will become 1 upon 3. Again division, we will again change into multiplication and do reciprocal of this. So answer will be 3 3 ja 9 upon 4. Again improper fraction, so we will change or convert improper fraction into mixed fraction. 4 2 ja 8, remainder 1, that is 9 upon 4 is changed into 2 1 by 4. So this is the answer, and this is very simple question. But sometimes these questions asked in exam and student used to do silly mistakes and don't attempt the question. Next and last, this is also very good question. This is 1 upon 3 of 60 divided by 60. So here what we will do? We will do first this one of 1 upon 3 multiply by 60 divided by 60. So here 2 3 2 ja 6 or 3 20 ja 60. So 20 divided by 60. This step is very important. And 20 divided by 60 equal to 20. We will change this division sign into multiplication and do the reciprocal of 60. 60 upon 1. 1 is understood. So we will write 1 upon 60 and 23 ja 60 and answer is 1 upon 3. So this is very simple question. It can be asked in mental maths also, and sometimes teacher asks you just check your mind. So try these questions yourself. Please copy them in your notebook or practice notebook and do this in your notebook. And please like, share and comment in my channel so that I can make more videos with good energy, with positive energy. And see you next class, and keep learning, keep growing, and have a nice day.